Hey guys, good morning. I hope you all are doing well. So today is just a random day. I think it's a Monday. Is today a Monday? Yeah. Okay, yeah, today is Monday and I decided to vlog because I had a couple of things to do today and I thought it'll be really fun. So I woke up like 30 minutes back. First things first, I have an appointment at 12 p.m. I am going to be going for my second session for upper lip laser. So I'm doing a collaboration with this skincare clinic and they are basically giving me 4 full sessions of upper lip lasers. It's not like I have really big growth that you can see, but it's still annoying for me, so it's good to know that it will be gone. Before that, it's time to go and grab some breakfast. So oh, by the way guys, I got some new glasses. I feel like that makes me look even more like a nerd. But yeah, these are my new glasses now. What do you guys think? Also, I'm testing out a new mic right here. So hopefully you guys will get better audio from here on. But anyway, let's go and grab some breakfast.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it.
So all my morning work is done and now it's time to head out for my appointment. But before that, I'm going to prep my skin a little bit, and for that I'm going to be using these 2 products from Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Face Wash with Himalayan Thermal Water and Hyaluronic Acid, and this one is the Mamaearth Aqua Glow Gel Face Moisturizer. And as you guys know, I've talked about this many times, is that I have dry skin. My skin is looking extremely dehydrated, and as you guys know, hyaluronic acid is an excellent ingredient for giving your skin instant hydration. So I'm going to first wash my face with this face wash right here. It is paraben and SLS free. It's dermatologically tested, which is always good to hear, and it suits all skin types. I love the applicator on this. It has this brush like bristles, so I don't really have to do a lot of work. I just have to take the face wash and gently massage it, and it just does the job. So the key ingredients in this is Himalayan Thermal Water, Hyaluronic Acid and Aloe Vera, which helps boost hydration, makes the skin glow soft and supple, and with the goodness of Himalayan Thermal Water, it is suitable for all skin types. Okay, so face wash is done and now my skin is looking squeaky clean. So next it's time to apply the gel based moisturizer, and this moisturizer is perfect for the daytime because it's gel based. It's not going to feel sticky on your skin at all. It's going to be really light and airy. It has a lightweight gel formula and it keeps the skin fresh and plump. And with the goodness of Himalayan Thermal Water, this one is suitable for all skin types. Simple skincare routine is done. Now I'm ready to go out to my appointment. And as you guys know, I've been using Mamaearth products for a while now. And Mamaearth is an amazing Indian brand that is plastic positive. It is chemical free and it's free of all harmful ingredients. And of course, you can use my special code to get some discount on the website. Mamaearth is available on their official website and on Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. They also have their official app, which will also have some extra offers and discounts, so don't forget to check that out. The best part about Mamaearth is that every time you buy a product, they will link your order to a tree on the website that they plan, and the exact geolocation, picture and species of the tree will be sent to you.
I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay. if you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it.
Hey guys, so I am dressed up and we are heading out. So since it's Navratri, we're just going out a little bit and just seeing what's out there. So this is what I'm wearing. Since I got my laser done today, I can't really wear any makeup, which is unfortunate because I feel like I'm kind of incomplete, like I'm dressed up but there's nothing on my face. So I just put on a little bit of eyeliner and just filled in my brows a little bit. Thank God for masks. So most part of my face is going to be completely hidden, which is amazing. Let's go.
I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind. But when I think back to you, I feel the same every time. 'Cause I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. But have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay.
Hey guys, so right now the time is like 7:20 and we have to go out and buy a few things. So I'm going to do a quick change. So 1, 2, 3 and there we go. I'm just wearing my black shorts and then this t-shirt, and yeah, let's go.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are wrong?
Okay guys, so we bought some chaat on our way. I think this is Sev Puri, then I think this is Raj Kachori, and this is Dahi Papri chaat, and we also have some samosas. So yeah, I think this is going to be a dinner. I don't know how we're going to finish this, but let's do it. I'm so excited to be having chaat.
Running through million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
extremely exhausted, so please excuse my face. I know I look like crap right now, but I can't do anything about it. We just sent out some food orders for today. As you guys saw in the footage earlier, like yesterday also we sent out some food orders, and today also we sent out some food orders. So let me tell you guys a little bit about that. So basically we have started this new family venture where we serve authentic Bengali food here in Chennai. So yeah, that's what is going on. It's really exciting. It's a new project, it's a new business that we've started. It's just two of us working anyway, so we are taking limited orders at the moment, but we do have a puja special menu where the last 4 days of Navratri we are doing something different every day. I don't even feel like having lunch anymore after this. Obviously I think after 1 hour I will get hungry, but right now I just want to sleep because it was crazy hectic in the morning. Right now I think the time is 1:45 or something like that. Anyway, if you guys are in Chennai, then I will leave the page link in the description box below. If you guys are interested to order, you can DM and we can proceed from there. But yeah, I'm just going to probably rest for like an hour and then let's see if I feel like having lunch.
I don't even know what's next, but all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through, million things I can't undo?
Hey guys, so right now the time is like 5 or 5:15 and I'm shooting a little bit before we head out. So we are going to be going out in the evening, probably like check out some pandals here in Chennai. This year, like last year, there are a lot of restrictions, so I can't really like go and enjoy Durga Puja. Before that, I thought let me finish the shoot. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. Then I'm going to quickly change and shoot something for my Instagram, probably make a reel or something. So yeah, anyway, let's go and do that. Okay guys, so I've changed into my next outfit and I'm not going to show you much because I'm doing another video where I show you guys the full outfit. Sorry guys, but it's such a pretty outfit, so stay tuned for this video. But anyway, I'm just going to quickly shoot some pictures and videos with this outfit, and then yeah, that's it. After that we just have to go out, so let me go and quickly finish this shoot. Bye. Hey guys, so I am ready to actually go out. So I'm done with my shooting and I'm done with all my work for the day. I mean, not work for the day because I have to come back and start editing. So this is what I'm wearing for Mahashtami. I'm wearing this really pretty kurti from Span. Yeah, so this is what the kurti looks like. It has like a high-low cut, and then I'm just wearing it with some trousers. Obviously right now I'm just wearing my house slippers. Please don't mind that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope you guys liked this video, liked this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below and give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I think it's raining.